Welcome. In front of me is an LG F60, and today I will show you how to change the wallpaper of the device. So the simplest way to do it would be hold your finger on a display on an empty space, and you should be seeing something like this. And then you can just tap on wallpapers right here, and then you have all the preloaded wallpapers that come with the device, and you can just tap on them. They will automatically change like so. And if you're satisfied, you can just tap on the home button, and as you can see, the wallpaper will be changed. You can also find some wallpapers, for instance, or set them up from your gallery. So whatever I find the gallery up, let's see. Actually, I don't really care for localization, so I'm just gonna take this as an example, and once you go to the photo itself, you can tap on the three little dots right here and then set as, and you have an option to set it as wallpaper, and then get a little position. You can zoom it in or out and place it as you like, and then you just tap on set as wallpaper, and I'll do it as an example. Now if you go back, you can see it is the wallpaper now. So those are the two ways you can change the wallpaper. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.